Traders, I have successfully passed the phase 1 challenge of the funded trader program. On my 50k account, you can see here is my dashboard. I have closed a total of 12 trades. If I scroll downwards, you can see that the goal meter for this challenge is $5,000 and I've managed to make $5,136, and the daily loss is $3,000. The daily breach level is $52,000, which I didn't breach any rule. And the active trading days I was supposed to trade in order to pass this challenge is 5 trading days, which I've managed to trade just 4 active trading days and I've passed the challenge. So all I have to do is use a small lot size, let's say 0.2, 0.3, and then I will get these active trading days to be 5. Then I will receive an email saying I have completed the challenge. If I scroll downwards again, you can see my win rate is 67%. My loss rate is 33%. The time since inception is 5 days, 16 hours. You can see here is the account size 50k. The platform is MT5. The number of trades placed is 12. My profit factor is 3.21 and the average risk to reward ratio is 1.6 to 1. Average winning trade is $962. Average losing trade is $599. Now what I will do is I will head over to 8cap so that I will show you the trades I've entered. Here is the toolbox and this is my history. You can see the last trade I entered was $2,300 in profit. The second to the last trade is $1,027. Now I'll walk you through the few of the trades that I've entered during the last day. And here is gold. I used a lot size of 0.30 and I made a profit of $200. These two trades that I've entered is XAU and it's a sell with 0.30 lots, both of them. Here I made $213, here is $258. And now let's go to gold. Here is the trade and you can see here it says a sell trade with 0.30 volume, another sell trade here. Now I enter this position on the 5 minutes time frame and my take profit was here, so it was closed. If I go back to the 30 minutes time frame, you can see here it is. I sold at this bearish channel. After price pulled back up here, I sold with these two trades and my take profit was here and it got hit. Even though it drops further, but we still made profit. Another trade here is XAUSD, or a buy trade using a 0.50 volume, and we made a profit of $511. On this same chart here it's where I bought at the retest. This is the buy trade. When it pushed up here, I took profit. My take profit was here. So when it pushed from this point to this level, my take profit got hit and we made $500 in profit. Now the next trade is USD card, a sell trade using 4 lot size, and we've made a profit of $941. Here is USD card. Here is the trade. Here you can see here is the sell trade that I've entered. You said here it says a sell and it's a 4 volume at the price of 1.29457, and my take profit was here and my take profit got hit. I actually sold at this bullish resistance and this horizontal resistance here. Back on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that this reversal is a reversal of this bullish trend, and then it gave us a bearish resistance, bearish support level, and on the 1-hour time frame it also gave us this bullish channel, and I sold at this resistance and my take profit got hit. And the next trade here is the trade that we had a loss, the Euro USD sell trade using a 4 lot size, and we lost $460. And it's a Euro USD sell trade. Here's Euro USD. Let me show you how we lost. Back on the 15 minutes time frame, here's the resistance we sold. Let me go back to 5 minutes time frame to show you. Good, we sold at this resistance. You can see here it says we sell trade using the 4 volume Euro USD at 1.04286. Then our stop loss was above here, but then our stop loss got hit, so it's not a big deal. Traders do get in losses sometimes, and it's part of the game. The next trade that we had a loss is CHF JPY using the 4 lot size, and we lost $989. CHF JPY, and it's a sell trade that we lost. Here it is. Here you can see it says a sell trade using the 4 volume. I sold at 141.127, but then it pushed higher and then hit my stop loss. I was in profit for a while. You can see it dropped from this level down to this bullish spot, and then it pushed higher, hit my stop loss, and then pushed higher again to this bullish resistance before then dropping. The next trade is a profit on CHF JPY using a 7 volume, and it's a sell trade. And here it is back on the 15 minutes time frame. We sold here using the 7 volume. You can see here it is CHF JPY. I sold at 141.592, and then price got hit at 141.121, and I made a profit of $2,429. Now on the 1 minute time frame, here is why I sold CHF JPY using 7 lot size. I was expecting a bearish trend on CHF JPY because of this head and shoulder pattern. You can see here is our trading view chart, the CHF JPY. I was expecting a sell because of this reversal chart pattern, head and shoulder. You can see after it gave us this right shoulder, it dropped, and I'm still expecting a bearish movement again. So this was why I sold at this resistance. It was a breakout, and then we had this pullback also, and then I was expecting a pullback. That was why I sold. And then when I entered this trade, it dropped, and then my take profit was hit at $2,429. The next trade we entered is a profit of $9, and it's a sell trade on gold using 1 volume, and it's at $9 because we moved stop loss to break even. Here is gold back on the 15 minutes time frame. You see we sold here, then it dropped, but then pushed back up to hit our stop loss, and then our stop loss was moved to break even already. That was why we managed to make just $9, because our trade pulled back up to hit our stop loss. The next trade we entered is a $1,000 profit trade, which is XAUUSD. Now after our stop loss got hit, it pulled back up. Let me go back to the 5 minutes, the 1 minute time frame, so that I will show you exactly how it happened. Good, here is the sell trade that I told you I entered, and then it dropped to this level, but then pulled back up. Let me use this arrow. Sold here, and then it dropped to this level, but then it pulled back up and then hit our stop loss that was here, and then I sold again at this level. Now after this double top, I then sold here also using the 1 volume. So when I sold at this level, my take profit was here, and here is where we made profit of $1,027. Now the last trade we took was a profit of $2,300. It was a sell trade on CHF JPY with a volume of 4, and here is the chart. Back on the 30 minutes time frame, you can see where I earlier explained this chart to you that it dropped and then gave us a bullish channel. I was expecting bearish trend because of a head and shoulder pattern I drew on TradingView, and after this breakout of this bullish support level, we went back for a retest. Then I sold, and then it later dropped to my take profit, and then take profit got hit. That was how I was able to make over $5,000 in profit on my 50k account. I'm back to my funded trader dashboard. Now I've closed 12 trades, so what I'll do is I'll just open another trade today with small volume so that I will pass these active trading days rule that they have set. Then I will be giving phase 2, so I'll be back with a new video. If you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe and click the notification icon so that you will be notified. And I also told you that I will be giving out a free 50k challenge account courtesy of the funded trader program. Now they've given me this account because I'm a partner with them, and then I will give this account to one lucky subscriber. So subscribe and make sure your notification is on so that you don't miss any videos, because I will be giving out this account anytime soon from now. See you soon on my next video.